keeps doing it because he laughed at him.
Friend's gonna be like 20 and shit.
Mouse, stay down.
Oh, Lord. It says my 13-month-old has started gagging himself when he's bored. She says, like when I put him in his playpen while I prepare dinner or when we're waiting in line at the grocery store, I tell him no firmly, he just laughs and continues to do it until he throws up. 54 out of 62 people found the answers helpful. So apparently it's normal.
Oh my gosh.
This thing says to put vinegar on his hands.
Oh, he's not even using his hands.
Crazy boy. No. No, thank you.
Now. You gonna gag yourself again? No. No. No.
It's a new sensation for toddlers. It feels weird and strange to them now. And wow, what a reaction they get from their own bodies and their parents. It's a phase. Most toddlers do it at some point, but they will stop as they get older and as it gets boring.